Callie in the unhanger wanted to come out. I just stopped. Every time I stop, she wants out. But I'm riding along the Rhine River, and it's the end of day 6. I think 6 on Thursday. And I'm just taking a picture. We're starting to see some nice mountains as we get closer to Switzerland. This is looking back at Germany from the French side. There's some people feeding the pigeons, or seagulls, I guess. Okay, Callie. It won't be long. Just a nice view of the road we're on. We just came from that way. And we're headed down toward the sun, this way. Right along the river there.